Greetings. It's been a little while since I've brought a video to you. I just didn't have the energy to do it. I have had a little trouble with a sinus infection. Not a severe one or anything, just enough that I didn't feel like making a video. But I'm making one now. This is out on my porch. You can see a reflection there inside the house too, but I'm going to bring that in and plant some seeds. And you can see that my plastic all came off. I'm not sure. I didn't think we had a windstorm, but it's rained a lot, so I'll have to get out there and fix that. Here's my indoor garden. My nasturtiums and onions are looking good. And there's this celery there too, and my lettuce is looking good. I'm just about ready to start picking on that. These are my calendula seeds that I have all stored up. Basil is still going good. I harvested off of this one this morning, so it was fuller. Celery looking good. Tomato plant looking good. No blooms yet, but they'll come. Eggplant bloomed, but I don't think it made any eggplant. Artichoke. Pepper. Little round peppers on that one. This other one has a long pepper on it. Some more celery and nasturtium. And here we have my dahlias that are ready for me to split up and do something more with, since I brought them in. They're all dried out now. My fig plant realized finally that it's winter and got my house looking a little bit Thanksgiving-y since today, well, yesterday started the month of November. So we got out our turkeys and our pilgrims. It always seems like it makes the miracle of the fact that time goes so quickly a little more real when the decorations are actually out. So happy month of November to everybody. You can enjoy my decorations along with me. And yes, that's part of gardening, is having my house look like November. It's part of my sharing. And we cooked one of the pumpkins already. There was another pumpkin there, but I cooked it and then divided it up into 2-cup packages and put it in the freezer. And I bought one of these delicata squash. I keep hearing it's good, so I bought a small one. There's some sweet potato there too that we're going to eat up. Yum, yum. So that's about all that there is going on here. I will go out and fix my plastic one of these days if it ever quits raining. It's gotten down into the 30s, well, the 28, high 20s a couple of nights ago, and then yesterday it just barely got out of the 30s during the day. And it's not a whole lot warmer than that today. I had to go to town to get some groceries. That's the first I've been out of the house for a while. It felt good to be able to go out. Yes, it's 43 degrees right now. That's I think about the warmest that it got today. Might have gotten up to 45, but it's definitely fall. Actually, it feels more like winter. And that kind of pretty much wraps up all my Shed War possibilities. Since I'm supposed to have 2 videos per month, I will need to make 1 more this month. I haven't quite decided what it's going to be about. Actually, yes, I do. That I showed you out on my table there, where I'm going to bring that in and plant some seeds. Then I'm going to plant some microgreens also. So that will probably be what my last Shed War video will be about. And then I'll have other videos too showing. I think I'll show you maybe preparing my pumpkins for storage and any other cooking events that I might get excited in doing. Oh, one of the things we did do just recently, someone gave us a whole bunch of beets. They were humongous beets. I mean, like they were, they were bigger than a baseball. They were big beets. And so part of them were red beets and part of them were yellow beets. We got those all sliced up and pickled. And it was good to get that done, because we'll have plenty of pickled beets to eat during the year. I would have just regular canned them, but I need to get my pressure cooker examined to make sure that it's in working order, and I haven't done that. So the pickled beets, we could just use the water bath to do the pickles. Whereas without pickling them, you would have to use the pressure canner. I have a couple of zucchinis left, so I think I'm going to put in my dehydrator and dehydrate some more. And I will bring you along on just some regular videos when I do more gardening related things. So happy Shed Wars, those of you who are just finishing up like me. And happy Shed Wars to those of you in the opposite hemisphere that are just getting started. Happy gardening to you all. Happy winter. Happy fall, I guess. It feels really good to talk to you again. So until the next video, may the good Lord richly bless you.